Uh-oh.
This is a test of the new level radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and Northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the no-weather radio warning device. Here is the 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on Wednesday, June 10th. At Sky Harbor, it was sunny. Visibility 10 miles.
Dude, I hate how my reception is so bad. This one didn't go off.
Relative
This one went off, I think.
Wind was southeast at 3 miles an hour.
This one went off.
And the pressure was 29.6.
The thing went off because it's hooked up to that giant antenna. Yeah, not all of them went off, sadly, but this is a new radio. Sangean MMR 99. It's pretty cool. It sounds amazing. I'll be making a video on that soon. And yeah, today I turned 18 as well, June 10th. Alright, see you guys.